Where is the classroom? Where is the classroom? I have a class now. I have a class now. What time is the lecture? What time is the lecture? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? I need to study. I need to study. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Where is the library? Where is the library? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need my books. I need my books. When is the exam? When is the exam? How do I get to the cafeteria? How do I get to the cafeteria? I have a project to complete. I have a project to complete. Can we study together? Can we study together? What is the homework for today? What is the homework for today? I need to print my assignment. I need to print my assignment. Where is my schedule? Where is my schedule? Can I use your laptop? Can I use your laptop? Is there a study group? Is there a study group? I want to join a club. I want to join a club. Can you explain this topic? Can you explain this topic?